Going past a million things, then your colors start to swing.
How's it, guys? In our last video, you saw how the master mockup system updates every mockup in seconds. Now we'll take it further. This is the part nobody sees, but everybody feels when deadlines get tight. From one single master design file, not only do all your mockup updates, every single shirt template also updates automatically. Every size from baby 0 to 1 years old all the way up to 5XL. No resizing, no realigning, no rebuilding artwork over and over. Just design once and everything's ready to export for print. This is where design stops being work and starts becoming a system. Alrighty, so we're back in Adobe Creative Cloud, and for this tutorial you need two apps, Photoshop being the one app and InDesign being the other app, because this is where we built our templates, sublimation shirt templates. These will be pulled in from the Adobe Photoshop file. So everything is downloadable once you get your Adobe Creative Cloud plan, and you can download all of these apps. Once you open your full master design system, we will start in the create design file as we did last time. So we'll hide the readme file and we will start designing. Just a quick overview: front panel, back panel, right arm, left arm, collars. This is where you do your design. You could open these up because they are smart objects. You can do your design on your chest panel separately. You can save that out. It will then appear here. So I'm going to skip to the next step as I've already done designs. So I would then go back and go into the design link file, open the design link file. All right. So now let me show you, you just right click the relink file and then you say relink to file. Then we browse to any of our designs. I'm just going to go to a fishing design that we have. Let's say shirt 70. I'm going to go link the design file. This will be the nemwear. While that's pulling in, there we go. So here's the nemwear design. This is a previously designed file using the create design file template. I'm going to save this, Control S, Control Shift Alt S. Again, I just need to mention my Photoshop settings were set to legacy settings, so I'm using the old shortcuts. Otherwise you can go to edit, save for web, and then our presets here are JPEG. Everything else is fine. Save that. I'm saving it in the panels folder, and I'm saving over the pre-populated images folder that was created by Photoshop. Replacing the files, and as you know, everything will then update. There's our panels, just to show you quickly. There's our panels we just saved out. So our names, we need to go to our front names. We're going to update all modified content. Save that out. We're going to have to change the name. Let's say we wanted it there. I'm going to save it as Donovan. Quickly change the color to black. And if I wanted to, I could quickly put a stroke on it. That looks okay. Save that one. So we have our names, we have our images, our panels, shirt patterns, because this is actually what this package is all about. We're opening that up, and we're opening up the adult shirt templates print panels. So here we go. Here's all our panels from extra small to 5XL. And just to note, we have three important tabs. We have our pages, we have our layers, and our links. Our pages are basically this counts as a page, this counts as a page, and this counts as a page. So in Adobe InDesign, all the controls are the same as in Photoshop. Your shortcut keys to zoom out, to move, everything is the same. So if you are familiar with Adobe Photoshop, InDesign will be a breeze. So then we have our links. These will be the important ones for this now. And we see all of our links have little warnings here. So let's select them all and hit refresh. There we go. All of our templates have now updated. So let's say, for example, we wanted the name. So the name on the front. There we go. There's the Donovan. And the name on the back. There we go. There's the name. This can now be exported. However, this does not have a collar. So there's our short sleeves, our long sleeves, and this is a slightly tapered template for the ladies cut. If we were to add a Chinese collar, we could easily do that by alt dragging it from there to either there or there on the long sleeves or even here. So now we're ready to export our panel. We would highlight the selected panel and hit Control E for export. We can now export this artwork to anywhere we want on our system, depending on where you're exporting your files to for your ripping. In this case, I'm just quickly going to make it 07 export folder, and we will export this as JPEG and as medium. All of these options are correct the way they are here, and I'm just going to hit export. InDesign is going to do its thing quickly. There we go. Once we go back to our folder, there's our export, and there's our medium file ready for print. Okay, I just wanted to do an overview of what we covered in this tutorial. We opened up our folder, and then we opened up our create design file, and then we made our design. Secondly, we opened up the design link file, and this is where we linked our previously designed file that we have previously designed in this template. Next, we opened up our panels after we did our design, and we had exported our panels, and we edited the names inside here. We edited our names front. In this video, I didn't cover editing the back, but should you have had a name on the back, it would have been done there. We exported that. We did our one mockup, but as you know, all mockups would have been pulled in. Client presentation mockup, all mockup folder. Shirt patterns, we opened up the adult shirt templates. What I didn't get to show you is there's also all the kids templates are in this file. We opened up this one. We pulled in all of our artwork in this template by simply refreshing, and everything was ready for export.
Scrolling past a million things, then your colors start to swing. Every frame